Okay, so have you ever tried to make music with AI? You get this amazing idea in your head, right? You type it into the prompt, hit generate, and what you get back is, well, it's just not it. Ugh, it is so frustrating.
I have been there so many times. You're literally just burning through your credits, trying to get the AI to understand what's in your head. You type in something simple, like make a sad song, and it spits out the most generic thing ever. It just feels like you're throwing your money down the drain. It's a total guessing game.
You absolutely nailed it. It's what they call the black box problem. You put your prompt in one side, but you have no idea what's going to come out the other. I actually found this quote from a professional music prompt engineer, and it's just, wow, it's spot on. 90%. Can you believe that? That is a huge waste of credits. Right? Which is why I was so unbelievably excited when I stumbled across this site, melodyprompt.com. It just completely flips the script. Instead of trying to sell you a tool right away, it actually starts by teaching you how to do it right, for free. It's like finally getting the instruction manual before you start building.
And listen, we're not talking about some generic, fluffy advice here. They have these super specialized guides for all the popular niches. So whether you want to make some lo-fi beats for your stream or maybe a huge cinematic score for a video project, there is literally a playbook waiting for you.
And I just have to say this again, because honestly, I couldn't believe it at first. All of this expert knowledge is 100% free, no sign-up required, you don't have to give them your email, there are zero strings attached. It is just pure, unadulterated value. Seriously, you need to go to the site and bookmark it right now. Do yourself a favor. They call their weekly updates gold mines, and for good reason. They are constantly adding new prompts, new guides. It's like this ever-growing library of creative firepower right at your fingertips.
Okay, so the free guides are incredible. And honestly, you could just stop right there and be way ahead of the game. But for those of you who want results like right now, this is where things get to be a total game changer. They've built this entire integrated studio that puts all that knowledge into practice for you.
And the process is it's brilliantly simple. So you take that weak prompt we talked about, like sad song. You pop it in, then this thing called the prompt doctor rewrites it into a professional, detailed prompt. And then you just hit generate. That's it. It's all in one place. No more copying from a guide and pasting into another tool.
This right here, this is the secret sauce. The prompt doctor is basically an AI for your AI. It takes your simple idea, it diagnoses why it's weak, and then it beefs it up with all the crucial details, things like genre, mood, instrumentation, even vocal styles, to pretty much guarantee you get a studio-quality result on the very first try.
Oh, and it doesn't stop there. The studio also has a lyric ghostwriter, which is awesome. You can download your tracks directly as MP3s or high-quality WAV files. And this is huge. You get full commercial rights to everything you create. It's your music, period.
All right, let's talk about the big question. What does all this cost? And let me tell you, this is the part that got me really excited. Because they're in their launch phase right now, they're offering a limited-time lifetime deal just for their early supporters. Let me repeat that. This is not a subscription. It's a one-time payment.
Okay, so let's break down these tiers. You've got the starter pack, which is just $4.99 for lifetime access and 5 songs. Great way to dip your toes in. Then there's the agency pack at $29.99 for 150 songs. But you got to look at that one right in the middle. The Pro Studio Pack. Okay, for just $14.99, a one-time payment, you get lifetime access and 50 songs. 50! This is without a doubt the absolute best value for anyone who's serious about building a real music library. I mean, it is a complete no-brainer. And, the math speaks for itself. Look at this. With the starter pack, you're paying about $1 a song. That's not bad at all. But with the Pro Studio Pack, the cost per song just plummets down to 30 cents. You're getting 10 times the songs for only about 3 times the price. The value there is it's undeniable.
Okay, everybody, listen up, because this is really important. We got to shift gears a little. This introductory offer, it's not going to be around forever. This is an extremely limited deal just for their very first wave of users.
So how limited are we talking? This special launch pricing is only available to the first 100 people. That is it. Just 100 spots for early adopters.
That's right. Once those 100 spots are claimed, that's it. The launch phase is officially over, and this lifetime deal is gone for good. This is truly a ground floor opportunity.
And just look at this comparison to see what's at stake. Today, you can lock in lifetime access and 50 songs for that $14.99.
But as soon as this launch is over, the prices are going to switch to their standard rates. So let's be clear, this isn't just a sale or a discount. It's a completely different pricing model that is going to disappear.
So here's your mission, should you choose to accept it. It's a really simple 3-step plan. Step 1, go to melodyprompt.com. Step 2, read through those amazing 100% free guides. And Step 3, grab your Pro Studio Pack for $14.99 before all 100 of those spots are gone.
So what's the bottom line here? It's simple. Stop guessing and start creating studio-quality music today. Go to melodyprompt.com.